XAMPP every day, but you can't prove it.
I mean, I would like to read it, to be honest.
And you're Finnish. I mean, it's all adding up.
Yeah.
It's all adding up.
And he's programming in C. Yeah, like meow.
What the fuck?
Wait, Lucas is streaming.
Yes.
Make a 6 stream where you code a driver. A driver?
Yes.
Someone that drives the car?
What kind of?
No.
I
know.
I mean, I do have in the plans to do something with the Raspberry Pi or something like that. So.
Yes.
No. I'm gonna stop right there. Raspberry Pis are like, you're just wasting money. Like the amount that you spend on a Raspberry Pi, you might like, unless like you actually want to like hook up like a small smart TV or something, like actual like engineering shit, then maybe you want a Raspberry Pi. But if you're actually gonna think about doing something like what I'm doing, like just get like a mini PC for like a quarter of the price and like 4 times the power.
Okay. Hello, Peppa and Pig.
I have the Raspberry Pi. I can forward to you. You just gotta like catch it in Finland. Yeah, and then you can have it like globally. You could send it and hope that Sol isn't gonna take it away.
I'm just telling you that like the price is the only thing that makes this my decision. What I'm saying is like once you start looking at the prices, it's like why for like what you get out of Raspberry Pi, like unless you're like doing some like engineer stuff, hooking it up to like a camera or like you know, some like, security or some home automation, like camera or like you know, some like security or some home automation.
That would be the idea. Yeah, because I am an engineer, or studying to be one. Why can I not just dismiss this? Oh, thank God.
Damon, what was the IP? It was shit.nobagger.com.
Yeah.
Or...
No beggar.
No beggar.
How was that spelled? Like B.
It's bag. Gar.
So is it like NOBEGGAR?
No, it's BEGGAR.
Wait, is there an E in there?
You're both so welcome.
No, it's an AR.
But I mean, is it like shit.no BA?
BA.
No? What? I listen to Damon.
It's BE.
Is it okay? That's the first.
I send it to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Nobagger.com. That's my.
Remove the OB.
That's my domain.
Damon, you gotta remove the OB in Nobagger.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Remove the OB. You know, we can't have OB. One can OB.
Shit.make.
That's a good one.
Yes, it's the best one.
It's the one.
Das one.
That is nuts.
What? That's crazy.
Oh, crazy! I was crazy once.
No, you weren't.
Oh.
You are crazy.
Oh?
Still.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Let's see. I don't know if this... We'll just go with this. Continue on with this and do it like this. It's fine. It's fine. For now. Export. FN. Need model. And I will just take in vertices. I thought I could probably make this thing, but whatever. Oh wait, I cannot put any type in here because then... Or, no? Can I? Let's see. Oh no. Actually though, okay, I need to go back to the drawing board for this. Harold. You good. Wait, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Where?
we need to make it so that we can still write this. I'm writing this test still in Sig, but we need to translate it later on to the Rust one, right?
Okay.
So we have the init, which will just init the whole graphics stuff. You know, if it was Vulkan, it would do it for Vulkan. If it was OpenGL, it would do that, and then we'll return the hand or like the thing back to this. This is the platform, right?
Okay.
We'll still call this one the game, even though it will have the render, but it will be both. It will be the game. But this one is responsible for the memory and whatnot. This one has just API, like a library. It just has calls. It doesn't store memory. And then you construct the pipeline, right? Piline.
No Pillini, yes.
Pipeline. That's beautiful. And it stores that here. But should the pipeline also create models and texture? Yeah, I guess it should.
No. It doesn't do anything in the OpenGL at least.
But we should have the logic here for that as well. So it should be included in the pipeline memory that return over here.
In OpenGL, that's not how it works.
But we can make our own like struct that has that capability, right?
Well, you're doing that.
Yeah, but
I ain't gonna do that.
I'm just
I ain't
thinking.
doing something horrendous to my OpenGL.
But I mean, like, at least I would think that's what we would should do also if we did it with Vulkan. So like just preparing it for that as well, you know, the same way.
Okay.
Or am I completely lost? I think that would make sense. You have the shaders, you have the textures, you have the models, everything included in the pipeline creation.
Damn, D-Chef, yeah.
I think that
I feel like you're doing too much.
Bro, trust me, creating a JSON object in C isn't so easy.
And then in here, you can ask from this init while window, and then you just loop, and inside the loop you have the draw that takes in. But this is kind of weird because we can have multiple pipelines. We need like a Vulkan, a graphics API context. I guess that's what we need. That should be the thing that is exposed all the time and handled. You know?
Okay.
Actually, we could have both a game and render context. I guess.
You know, Lucas, I wasn't thinking about making the render so fleshed out with OpenGL. Like, I thought we would just do like a cube, then get multiplayer working so that we can see, oh yeah, the cube is changing. Like, the position if we press like WS and A. If we see both cubes, we see multiplayers working, and then change to
Yeah,
Vulkan.
but the thing is that I need to connect this to Rust, and then if I'm gonna do that, then I need to figure out how to do the OpenGL bindings in Rust.
I think SpacetimeDB is a bad idea.
No.
Hot take.
No.
Anyways, go back to work.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I
But what
cannot
do you
do
mean you
it
need to
like that
connect it
because
to
then I have
Rust?
to figure out OpenGL with Rust bindings, and that I don't want to do. So that's why I'm trying to do this, and then I just
No.
Yes.
But what do you need to connect to Rust? Like,
I need
the functions for it, or?
Yeah, because okay, this is right now the Rust main, this thing. In
Yeah.
here I need to start the OpenGL and everything from this main.
can't you just do like init OpenGL, init then while true, OpenGL update, and then OpenGL init, so that it's like as simple as possible?
Yeah, but then I need still to take away all of these things from here and put them to be in this render, then I'm still doing the same thing. I'm just trying to, because either way I will have to move them, so I'm just trying to think out how would I move them. I don't know.
Yeah, but I mean, you don't need player texture in like you don't really need it for the testing.
I guess I don't.
Model matrix C would be important.
Yeah. But it's still like, even if I just do, it's not, this is not the hard part, you know, kind of. It's just like, how should the whole thing, if I do model, the texture would come along with it, so it would just be an easy thing to take at the same time. And then all of this can still stay in, this can still stay in Rust. I don't know about, this has to be in the library. And so I don't know about what the fuck this is, but yeah, but inputs, yeah, that also has to be a poll to a library, because then otherwise I will have to do this inside of I don't know, this would be ideal actually to have outside. So it's kind of weird how I should go about it, to be honest. And then there's this function call, and I don't know, there's this thing, and then there's camera. I think both of these needs to be inside of the library, yeah. Otherwise we'll have to, because I don't have access
just write
to
the
these
server
things.
in Zig.
That's what I'm doing.
The server.
Well, I'm gonna make my own server in Zig just to test, and then if it's good enough, I might just join that into the project so we can have multiple servers also, I guess.
Oh,
I don't know.
hell no.
Kind of defeats the purpose a little, so like you guys don't have to have it there. I could also spin it into my own project. It like doesn't really matter for me. I want to see if it works, you know.
Let's see, I'm gonna check. I think I asked a like Zigma client beta. Was it this thing I asked about it? Yeah, here. Vulkan use Zig. Okay, yeah. But this is not. No, wait. Rust client netcode simulation rendering input. But I cannot do input inside of the game because that will be fucked. Because then I need to somehow notify the client, the platform, that the input. That's just the client, the platform should be the thing that it's the interface, and that tells the game and the server that somebody pressed something. That shouldn't be handled from the No, it shouldn't be handled from the game, because then it's just bad. Because then you somehow need to send it back, and that's just stupid. We shouldn't have to do that. Platform inits, but you need to somehow pull for events from the window, and that shouldn't be a game specification. That should be a platform thing that should take care of that. So you will have to init. Do you like OpenGL now? No, I don't like it. It's weird. I wanna go. I don't know. I don't. It feels like everything is done in the wrong order.
It doesn't matter the order. You can do it in whatever order.
That's the
you
problem.
want. Bah.
Anyways, I don't like it. We need a unit that will initialize. But it's also like I think Windows shouldn't maybe be taken care of from the library. Right? Should it? We'll ask again in a month. I will get you wiser and... No. In a month I won't be using OpenGL. Then it's completely converted to Vulkan. Maybe I'll need to actually extract these two to be like game and then renderer. Does that make sense? Render. But the render still is kind of like dependent on the game memory to understand what to even render, so I don't know if it's a good idea to separate them. That is like almost pretty stupid to do. Yeah, it is pretty stupid to do. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep game and render in the same. Wow, that's beautiful and. Because the memory is the same basically that they use to do their shit. So we'll game and render. Bless you.
Bless you.
Thanks.
And game and render, you will have to init the whole thing. After that, let's just not even care about pressing any inputs. We'll just get players connected. Yeah, let's ignore that. Then we will initialize the pipeline. Line. And then after that we should have everything that we need to just start drawing, and we are not gonna care about anything else. Draw. These are the things that we'll do. Forget everything else until then. Yeah, that sounds good. So I will just... Sure. For now I will just... I'll just init a model and return that model.
Damon, are you fixing your clients right now? Damon?
He did.
Use
No.
an unclear identifier.
Damon, if you want, you can fix my server.
Alright, push what you got.
Okay. I fixed a lot more problems, but yeah.
I don't know, it doesn't really matter like if we're pushing batshit. Like I already have package management and tags and stuff, so it's like we could always just revert to the whole source code.
Generic parameters are not allowed in function with convenient. Okay. How can I change these any types to be something that I can take in?
In C.
Yeah, as in, yeah.
Yeah, you're fucked.
Okay.
You will have to have some like FFI knowledge for that, which you don't have.
I will just write them as.
What you gotta know is you can just pretend it's like the vertices are always floats and pretend that the indices are always U32 and it should be good.
Well, I can also just take this into the listing over here instead.
Oh, what's bro doing now?
I'm just taking them in here.
No, bro.
So you don't pass them as a param.
Bro really found the worst way of doing this.
I need some way of doing this.
Now I'm excited what I did wrong because, bro, I'm excited.
Function merge shadows declaration of vertices. That's true. I'm just gonna put an underscore in front of them. Can't I do that? Unused function parameters, right. But I don't even need these things because I can still use them directly.
Yo, Lucas, I think you need more brain rot on your.
No,
stream.
Shush now.
You know, I got the brain rot.
Oh no, what? No. Egg. If... How was this supposed to go? No, it's catch. Catch.
Oh Damon, it's reading the wrong client. Oh, okay, now it's reading the wrong
No,
client.
don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. It'll figure it out. I don't pay big monies for this for nothing.
Yeah, it didn't read the error.
Should I change this to a pointer instead?
You should change everything to a pointer.
Yeah.
What? What is it doing?
But that needs to be
It's reading the old client, it didn't read the new client. Just say in the lib.
Expected type found. Can I return the address of this thing? How do I do that even? Is that allowed?
The client
even?
that's in lib.
What did you call the new client?
It's in
No, I need
the
the
lib folder, and it's ws client lib,
Error
and
type
in
found.
clients it's ws client underscore test. So like the library is like a big part of the client, and then like the small client is in the client's.
This will not be
WS
valid.
client.
I need to use an allocator. Or does it work?
Yeah. And then WS client test also here. This is the client, and wait, it was down, yeah, test. And the library is just all in lib. It can wait for whole lib here.
I think I have a smarter idea. Just for now. And when you init the pipeline, we're just gonna do this. Or just put it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Unreachable code. Why would this be unreachable?
Because you're returning.
Right. Oh yeah. That's the same thing.
Init needs try.
Yeah, but I cannot do try here. I need to do a catch.
Sure.
And then I just return the same thing. But I cannot say this one to be equal to a. How the fuck do I go about this then? What can I even do? Can I do it? Function. How can I even solve this? Because it wants to get like this object to be equal to, but if it fails, I cannot catch and do a default value because it's not a but I can I just say return this?
You can use panic.
But
Or that.
No, it doesn't seem to like it. Not a function. You have to say it? It should know that it's a model.
Mod.
It doesn't
Why
know.
would it know it's a model? Why would it?
Isn't this enough for it to know?
Yeah, sure, but it probably gets confused because they're doing catch and shit.
Whatever. It's fine now. And we will take away this. We don't need that.
Yeah, it's because you were doing catch, which is an operator, so it like needed to extra clarity.
And then I will do the same for these ones. It's better, I think. Where does this thing come from? Oh, it's literally this thing. It's okay. We will put these ones also up here at the top. Top war. Image. What else do we need? We need a texture.
We're not in the client anymore, or like maybe you have them still, but now we're in like the bin folder. So if you still have them in the root directory, you can just delete them.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, texture. Okay. And then we just say, yeah. So then we go down here, and then when we need the pipeline, same thing. And it doesn't know that it's a image. The fuck does it know here that fucking images? Should know what the fucking image is. It's just delusional. Ah, yeah, it is. Ah. So, boom. Layer texture is equal to geo texture. No. What am I trying to do here? Init. Can't. I'm just gonna. What the fuck am I? No. That should be fine. To texture. And then same thing. So, and then I'm just gonna do init layer image dot init, like so, and then we can remove these. Player should not even be in here either. See, how does this work? Layers in here, we will take both of these away from here. Let's leave them down here. Oh. And then we have two player structs. We will not need this one. And this I still want to go on with. Let's just skip player count. Just do player like so. And then we won't need Listing. Then we'll have an up. Should we have an update? You won't even have an update. We'll just have a render. Yes, let's just make a render. It's gonna be a bit weird. We'll see. This is part of render, yes, or draw.
Damon, it's fixed, right?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. It works. Fire. Nice. That's really good. Yeah.
I don't even. It changed like 2 lines of code in your library, and then it basically did what I was trying to tell you to do originally. Like you were doing too much. Like it's such a simple thing.
Oh, so simple. The JSON thing is so. There can be so many errors. It's crazy. Hey, wait, but now when we can make the parser, like not this, but say.
Damn, Luke, you're so quiet.
I'm thinking.
No, this is because it's our podcast.
For each player count, player dot, what the fuck? Well, I guess we could do update there, but then would sure. We can do this. No, we cannot. What the What would you pass? We cannot. No, that we cannot do. What is the draw here anyways? It's model. Okay. Yes, and this is what we'll do. We'll not do this. Well, kind of will do that. Will we do that? I don't think we'll do that. Where's this thing coming from? Oh, it's from that. Okay, cool. That works. And then we'll take in a transform here. Or we can take self.transform. That possible self doesn't have a transform yet, it does. And this is the object itself, so we're not gonna capture that. Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Okay, Damon, look, it will work. Yo.
In here.
Okay, we're still seeing that because it's a debug statement, right?
Model dot wait, what? On that.
Wait, and now, because we're using JSON, this is actually so nice.
No, there is no such thing as a transform for the model. What?
What? No transform for the model? Sheesh.
Yeah. Oh, I will make one. Transform 3D F32. Like so. Ah. Right. Why would model be extern struct? Does it need to be? No. I don't think so.
Anything that you return out of an FFI function that isn't a pointer has to be extern.
Wait, you can. If I make model a pointer, I could return it to anything.
Actually, no, you probably couldn't return it. No, never mind.
Yeah. I'm just gonna initialize this with.
Why is there a
Damon.
panda in there? Is that little guy? I saw a panda. What?
There's a splat.
Where?
0.
I don't know, when you were typing, a little panda face.
Oh yeah, that's it. So now, Damon, we should see the username. Yo.
No.
Oh. Yeah, that's because. Yeah.
I cannot do that either. Or can I just say this? Maybe that works.
Not raise.
And then in here, now I can go model dot transform position, and then we want x, we want the y. Here we want the y. No, the z to be what we used to do before, and I removed that. Amazing. Did I actually remove it? There's no way. Ain't no way I removed it. I did remove it. Damn it. It's okay. I can rewrite it. Okay. It's equal to.
What's the advantage of even using WebSockets?
It's like a connection, like an actual, like, you know, you're actually like held on to each other. So it's like you initially like do the handshake and connect. So it's just like, as long as the server's running, like you stay threaded in, right? And then like if you do like just normal like HTTP, like get and post, then it's like nothing's connected. You're just talking through JSON objects, like, you know, back and forth. But with a WebSocket, we're actually like connected.
Okay, interesting.
Hence WebSocket.
Yeah.
Needed anymore. Itself.
I don't know, I guess it'd be like the first protocol before you go into like full TCP or UDP, right? Where you're like, you know.
Use size.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do this. It's easy.
I don't know, like I play a lot of like RuneScape, right? And like originally there were a web browser that would have been like a full WebSocket, right? Like you can play like a game through the web browser.
Yeah.
Catch. The fuck can I do if it fails here? Just return. Can I resume? Continue? Can I continue? Nah, that's crazy. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So now in here. I will take the first player.
What did I cook?
Actually, I will just
It only touched your stuff
Yeah,
here.
the server. Like I know it added like these things to make it so they're not updated all the time. Is it to update?
I
Yeah.
don't know. This is the solution I will go with. And then after you have drawn, oh gee, boss. This is gonna be so cursed, but it's going to work.
This shouldn't
Or I
be
will do an
done like
update.
this, I think.
Update layer cam, I will call it, and just do this. Then I will take what normally layer dot update. We need delta time and short. This is gonna be so cursed, but it's fine. It's fine. Window. What's the window? I forgot. gl.window. glfw.window, and then delta time. So yeah, time f32. And I will just pass in window, pass in delta time, unused function. That's not how you spell.
Okay, Damon, I think I fixed it because I had some issue.
Nothing new.
Oh, hey, now
Segment
it's
fault.
like...
See that? Bit.
Wait. A minute.
I will just call it update.
Oh yeah, this is the problem.
Then we'll in here. We'll do this.
Yeah. Let's
I need
see.
to look at the old one. GitHub.
No.
Oh, nice.
Drawing the whole program is crazy. Yeah, yes. It's a temporary fix. I'm not sure how I'll go about it. It's not even a fix. It's a temporary. That's what it is. That's all it is. It was the main I wanted to look. Did you?
Oh, never mind.
Player update after this thing. And that was player update. Okay. I'm just gonna do this, and I'm not sure it's gonna be used in this way, but I'm just gonna keep it so we can remove it from here. I'm not sure what these things does. Get window. What are P? I never used P, I think. Did I use P? I don't think so. I can just remove it completely. And we're gonna put this in here. I think it makes more sense. And then clear, yeah, these things makes more sense in the draw than in the update.
Yo, guys.
Tell us.
I did it.
Oh no, you did something.
I did
What
it.
did you get? What did you do?
I made a
Made the
server,
Zig
kind of.
server?
Wait.
Stream.
I gotta push it.
Fire.
I gotta disable to push the jack, yes. Okay. Guys. So, you watching my stream?
Yeah.
Okay, so you said this is my client, and oh yeah, I should probably start from the server. So this is my server. You guys like it?
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah, and basically I'm just printing out hello world all the time, but I could change that to like hello Teddy Chef. And then we run that, and then it fails.
Nice.
Nice.
Because
Address is already in use.
yeah, there is.
Oh,
These
Harold,
are
it
just
can
true.
be.
Damn, why 80-80, man? That's this AI cooked this shit up, man.
No, I
Tell you that
actually
right now.
did, but like I don't know what's the best one, Damon.
Whatever
999.
number you want, but 80-80 is like fucking such a default number, man.
6, 7.
Is
No,
that
I
good?
think you should. No, you
No,
shouldn't
it's
do
gotta go
spots
go
below.
4 digits. Go 4 digits. All the
Yeah.
low are like fucking. Yeah,
That?
there you go. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Great. So now when we run the server, okay, it ain't printing out anything, but yeah, and now you see,
Yo.
it just works, bro. And this is nice and clean. Like this is the server, and this is the client.
Yeah, but not gonna lie, it was actually also not so long if you did it for local host for C. So that's like.
Yeah, it's gonna use WebSockets now, but I don't know what. I don't know how to do that.
Wait, but it
WebSockets?
would be. Harold, it would
Yeah.
be cross-platform, right?
Yeah, this is cross-platform.
Yeah, it's fire.
Welcome to Sig. Anyways, I'll get some water.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Okay, the vertex there, but where's that fragment? Okay, there. This works on the first try, right? I have no idea. Sig, build, run. No, it didn't. Wow. OpenGL. Oh no, I don't know. Int cast data len. Expect the pointer to have found. Okay, so that's the issue. But that's weird. That shouldn't really be any issue because it's kind of like it's just there. Should I cast it on any type?
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Nice.
Wait, so to have a WebSocket, do I just send a string between the client and server?
Mm-hmm.
What? That's
Just,
it?
I don't know. Just Google what a WebSocket accepts here, man. It's not. It's all. It's like not complicated. What format does a WebSocket accept? I don't know. Text data, binary data. Yeah, you just fucking send it. Yeah, like it's often
That's it?
yeah. You just send it like text, right? And people format in JSON because then you just read the JSON between server and client, right? Like it's just you just send the fucking UTF-8 through the fucking pipe. Fucking same thing
Okay.
with like fucking
And that's it. I
HTTP.
just send something between the
that's
client
crazy.
and server.
Yeah.
Does the server have to like accept it, or what does it do with it?
Yeah, server accepts it. Like you just like
Yeah,
it
the
just
server is just listening, you know.
like
If I just
originally like you need to connect to the WebSocket. Like that's through the handshake
Okay.
and S SHA-1 logic. Like you'll see that there's a static update thing that we send, and we pass a static key, and then we send some random heeble-jeeble to make sure that we're like a unique client. But like the server wants something that's static. You'll have to. It's in the SHA-1, and then in the client code you'll see it. You just gotta like send it, and then
But I
after you
don't like
connect.
SHA-1. I don't like SHA-1. SHA-1 disgusting.
I don't know. Well, that's the server just accepts the handshake. You got to figure out the handshake, and it's static between all the clients in the server.
I'll watch a tutorial.
I'll watch a tutorial. WebSockets by Fireship.
Still it breaks. But now it's weird. Because now I'm not even polling any inputs. So the
Well,
fact...
BRB.
Okay. Like I'm not touching it. It's fine. Ah, okay, never mind, I lied. Let's see, then it's something to do with the memory in some spot. Wait, let me see. We get in the window and the pipeline. Both of them are initialized. If I don't do anything? What happens if I just do a terminal if one? I don't think I'm allowed to do that. If true, return. It doesn't seem to crash at least, so that's pretty good. So it's something here that is not valid memory. What happens if I just do it here? Bound to non-usage hinting. I don't know. I'm not gonna be concerned about Vulkan. Oh no. Yo guys, can you still hear me? Okay, you can. Now that's crazy. Look at that. Wow. Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Let's see what's happening.
The what now?
What was crazy?
No, nothing. Just I'm just gonna do if true. Continue. Or or I equal 0. Okay, so the problem is not there. Trying just to narrow down, I'm pretty sure that problem is somewhere around here, but I don't know how the fuck this thing works.
Yeah.
That's a rip a bozo.
It is pretty riposo.
Yeah. Now then, I changed how the username worked because I know why we had it before, so weird. And now there's probably somewhere I forgot to have it.
I don't know. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee. I'll be back. You think of what you need done, and we'll get our intern on it.
That sounds awesome.
Bro, it annoys me so hard how we're doing it right now. It's actually insane. Lucas, there's nothing worse than working with non-null terminated strings in C. Yeah.
Yeah.
Non-terminated? I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm also trying to figure out what the fuck is going on. If I don't draw...
Damn, look at all those flags.
I mean, there's some memory that is probably incorrect here. But I don't understand what that could be, because... this is just state.
Alright, yeah, I'll be back. Finally.
I don't lose the memory to anything like the window. I return. make a context. I do gil init. I don't think I'll lose. I don't know how OpenGL works here, but it might be this thing player, because I don't know if this is a valid way to initialize a player. See, there is no .init for player. What the fuck? I'm a bit unsure what the issue could even be. Because it's nothing to do with this thing. And this one seems to be fine as well. I mean...
Okay, I'm back and I didn't learn shit. Damon explained it way better in like 5 seconds.
Damon isn't here right now.
Okay, well,
What are you trying? What are you trying?
I'm trying to have WebSockets.
WebSockets.
Yeah, and it's not just like a HTTP request that I send to the server and the server is like cool and it sends it back, or what does it do with it?
Yeah, like basically how I understand it, it's like it's just a way of like communication, like and like verification. So you're basically really just sending something to a server. How you're doing it right now, not just like a HTTP request or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't really see the point other than like verification here.
No, it apparently allows you to like way faster send stuff between the two things. It's like a tunnel.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing it in the code, you know, like that's what I'm like. I'm not. It seems like a normal socket to me.
Okay, I have no idea. I'm just gonna stop doing. I'm just gonna do this now. This is the best way I know. Well, I don't need to be this precise. Just precise enough to narrow it down.
Bro, Harold, you know what's really bad with the JSON right now?
Nope.
That we're basically sending every text string without a null terminator. That basically means we need to, for every text, we need to also send the length of the text.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just so annoying.
6.
Yeah.
So it has to be in between
Well,
these two. Was that a coincidence?
it is. It is what it is.
Swap buffer. The window pointer should always be valid. That's weird. That can that just have been coincidence? I don't know really what swap buffer does, but wait, so then if I just do this. Yeah. Now we're not even doing anything else. Okay, let's see if I just take this then. Let's go a bit funny. I don't have access to delta time in here. Nor should I. I'm just gonna divide it by 16. And then I'm just gonna do a catch return.
Also, Tishif, I was wrong. Siga actually has a SHA-1 implementation.
No, that's insane.
And SHA-2 and SHA-3. I don't even know what those are.
This is a try and a try, bruh. This is so cursed. What the fuck can I do? Which has the white space on the side. It's supposed to have. Ah. Right, and then this thing. Catch. That should be fine. Okay. Harold, why would this happen? You have used OpenGL.
Let's see.
So I just did a bunch of debug to see that, and it's basically happening. Well, it's happening here at the swap buffer, but I'm not getting this thing. It just goes crazy here. So either this thing is invalid, or that thing is invalid, or this thing is, or I don't know, something inside of here happens that's invalid.
Well, I don't know, you fucked up the window somehow.
Yeah,
That's all I got to
obviously.
say.
But it's kind of weird because it gets in over here.
Yeah,
And
that's
it's
not the
made-
issue. Are you creating a context and setting the context to the window?
What do you mean by that?
In the init of the rendering.
Here.
Yeah, you're not making current context, are you? Oh no, you are. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
And it runs for like a few seconds. I don't know. It's for me it feels like it's some memory that gets invalid, but I don't know, because it's still contained in here. So I don't see how that would be possible.
well, the like swap buffer thing is not to do with GFW or anything. It's just to do with GLX, which is like the actual OpenGL thing for Linux. And it's unhappy for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Like the only thing you could have done is somehow fucked up draw call, which is very hard to do. Like fail with window creation, not set the context. Yeah, that's like it.
But the thing is that it does get, like, it is still there for a while and then it just dies.
Nah, I think
Yeah.
that's not that. It's basically I think it's basically dies really fast and it just It's not there for a while. That's just the time it takes for your operating system to realize it.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe be so. I'm just trying to see those damn cubes, because that would help determine what actually is going on. I cannot close the thing. Wait, what? Bruh. Where are the cubes? Okay, let me just git dot git match. Almost there. And then I'm just gonna git check out master. Git pull. And then if I run this thing. Okay, wait. I want them to be in the forward direction. So I have to change this to be.
Oh, he's back.
You're back.
Who? Me?
Yeah, you died.
Bruh.
So are you pulling events? Lucas, you need to stream again.
Ah, my bad. I checked out to the master branch real quick because I need to figure out which way I'm supposed to. Let's do 5. Why didn't? That's why it didn't work. Yeah. So this should work if I put them all to be on the 0 coordinate. They should all line up and go forward. Check out. Oh, wait, let me just put that back there. Server. It's dash. I don't care about that. Your branch is ahead. No, that's fine. Yeah, so this should be. Hello, Serboso. This should be enough to. Oh. That should be that, and then that should also be that. Okay, so now I should see them stacked up right in front of me if it even works for a second to see anything. But I don't update the camera. But these things should be fine then, so I could take these ones back. And then just do a stupid run. Yeah, but I don't see them even there. Terminate. Yeah, I don't know, like it's so weird. Because it's like... I should probably run it with a debugger. It's also really hard to know, like, what the hell is going on with these things. You said something?
Lucas, where's your while loop?
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, I don't see no updating there.
Oh, no.
Where
The update is... Oh yeah, I'm not calling the update for that. But the update shouldn't even be, like... It's just...
No, not the play update, but the... Oh, wait, you need to do the IO events.pull. You need to do that.
I need to do that?
Yeah, you need to pull window events.
Bro has never used any API outside of Vulkan.
But even in Vulkan you gotta do that.
Do you need...
Yeah, well...
No, do you need to pull window events for that? Before you can draw anything?
Yeah.
What do you need to do that for?
Sure.
No. Like, yeah, okay, like I guess not for drawing, but when your window, like the application not responding will be there.
Yeah. No, the application will still draw, but you can't really
Yes,
move
run that
anything.
shit. No, it will just fuck itself. It will just kill itself. It has a finish move, okay? Don't just run the shit.
So now it should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that's
You
great.
see, if you don't pull events, then the window it gets created. It's like having a child on the street and just leaving it, okay? Yeah.
Great analogy right there.
Yeah, you gotta put it on a string and you gotta pull it. Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay. Okay, but now we should have enough to actually write this in Rust instead, and it should work the same way. Look at this. Now, isn't this beautiful, Harold?
No, this is a chaos, a mess, a Lucas API.
Yeah, it shouldn't be like this,
Yeah.
but it's
Yeah,
okay for now.
guys, I coined the term Lucas API. It's when
Alright.
an API is absolute. It's the worst it could be.
It's such an honor.
Mm. Yes. Every single TypeScript API and Python API are included there also.
Well, that's not an honor. That's just take that back.
Nuh-uh.
What the fuck is happening to my stream? It's so messed up. Or is it my camera? My camera is from. Oh shit.
Copyright strike.
I need to restart this thing, bro. Not the stream, but the stream overlay. It's. Thank you for the sound effects. That's exactly what I needed. Well, look at that crazy battle that's just happening. Oh yeah, you guys don't see shit. There, boom. Now you can see the shit that's going on.
Such a banger. So can switch out the microphone music to that.
Papope.
No, it's actually from I'm a Scouting Man. You could have that, okay? I send the link to you.
Good, but when you first said, "Are you pulling events?" I was like, "Bro, like, nah, never ever would you not pull events for an event."
But I was like, if I just
But
call
Lucas
draw,
is special.
why would it?
Lucas has special needs, okay?
If I just call draw, I'm not concerned about anything else. I'm just concerned about having a window. Why would I pull events then?
Like I guess you don't need to if a draw thing is in your eyes, but like you needed to move first.
No. This is
And
what
if
I
you
was
don't
trying
pull
to
event-
obtain, but it didn't even do this. I just moved it around because I was unsure if it even worked at all. You know, I was trying to just see this. I didn't even want to move.
But just like not pulling window events is like never a good idea. Like never.
But if you don't even want to register anything else, you just want to see if the app runs.
Then you die, okay? It's like you can't write a program for 5 years without eating food, okay? Yeah, this is the same thing.
Well,
you can't.
How long do you think I was gonna be stuck on trying to draw something?
You never know, man.
5 years, bro. Bro, what? Nah. Oh, hell
Guys,
no.
I will go now because I promised Redmaster to play Minecraft with him.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. See ya.
So I'm gonna Minecraft.
All
But that's
right.
not normal Minecraft, Lucas. It's bad boss. It's sweaty. It's
It's what?
yeah.
What?
I know.
All right. See ya.
Okay.
Also, Lucas, I sent you a link.
You sent me a link to what?
Yes.
No. We ain't getting copyrighted right now, bro.
Yes, we are. Yes,
No,
we are.
we ain't. No, we ain't. Okay. Now we need to take this. We could probably take this as well away from here and put it in here. I think that sounds like a smart
Lucas, I sent you a new link.
No.
This one is even better. The Glob Man.
The globe.
Don't wanna hear that.
I'm just gonna change this to this. I'm gonna take this just to because I want as little as possible in Rust. You know?
He says.
We don't want anything in the fuck, where oh. Is this okay now? Maybe it's okay. Let's see if it runs. That doesn't run. It's probably because it wants the address instead. Let's see. Or can I do it here? I think here is fine already. I could do it later on, but let's see. No? Okay, let's still pass it normally in here. Ah, look at that. Oh no. We don't need this anymore though. We can just take that away. Maybe it's fine. Something else went wrong. In it, oh yeah, we don't need to pass those in there anymore. Okay. Okay, that runs too. Good. Now we can take this into this. I think is still something I want from the platform. Window could also actually be initialized from the platform, but the most of the things that I got right now in the game render library game library are things that should be there.
You guys you gotta watch the video I sent you.
No.
Yes, you gotta watch it.
No, we're gonna get this render working now with this stupid ass.
Okay, no. Well, too bad. Too late.
What?
Sorry, it fired.
What fired?
Sorry, you were not able to do it now.
What are you talking about?
You don't have the rendering now.
I do have the rendering. What are you on about?
Not in Rust.
Yeah, I just need to get it in here somehow.
Yeah, but it's not now. It's in the future. So sadly, we're gonna have to lay off.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, bye. Get banned.
That was the end of Lucas Develops.
Yeah.
It was a great run.
This is my server. This is my server now.
How can I get the thing?
The thing. Don't ask me, man. I don't know Rust.
What do I know Rust either, bro?
I only know Crust.
Sure. What else am I interested in? I'm interested in the init pipeline. Pub. Do I have to say unsafe fn?
If you need me, ping me. Otherwise, plong me. Bye.
I need you.
No, man, you're writing Rust now. Now you don't need me.
What?
I don't know, man. Scream on top of. Go to Mount Everest and then you scream my name, okay? I will come back then.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see. Is there anything else? These things we'll be concerned about in a bit. But once we get this thing running, oh boy. All right. Bruh. Unsafe. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna GPT this shit now. I have no idea. How to Rust. How can I use my SIG in Rust? Great. A similar loop to this. And let's see, let's go to the main and just take. Let's see, what does it provide? Use SIG letter from Rust and write Rust equivalent SIG. News is your SIG code already uses it for a function. What? Callbacks. Here's a step. Compile SIG shared library. You need to build this. I think. Can we do that?
I'm black.
Oh, the other one's left.
Oh, well, whatever. Forget them.
Yeah.
We didn't need them.
Yeah, forget them. So we'll do this. Turns GLF. See void. Yeah, it doesn't really need to know anything about these things. That's perfect. Let's take it. Perfect. We all happy now. In your SIG init returns.
Yeah, by the time this project's over, it's going to be like 80% written by AI and then 20% tweaked by Lucas.
No, maybe because it's gonna be Rust and I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
Well, at least you're like you're doing it like where you know each step, not just letting it cook.
Yeah, no, fuck that. Like, still, like, I always start off by asking you guys something, and at the end I'm just like, you don't know shit, and then I just write it anyways myself. But for Rust, I have no better option. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so return say. Okay, so this is some interesting Rust stuff. Like from the standard libraries, declare it. Okay, that's interesting. And then mutable, I assume here, pointer returns the program. You pass it in. Yeah, all of this seems to be delta time, and okay, all of that seems to be okay. Your SIG init returns the Rust doesn't know that type, so just treat it as an opaque pointer. Okay, same for GL. You can use okay, write main loop. So do I have to probably use std, because I don't say. I'm just gonna put it in here as well, so it will be a bit. There's a lot of funny warnings right now. Anyways, you have to write a unsafe main. Yo, what the fuck? Who is playing these audios? Is it Harold? Is bad? He's okay.
What? Do not
You need to wait to check if Windows
Yes,
is
I
closed
do
or
not
not.
read
And
it.
export should close from. Okay, I guess, but init, defer init, ensure cleanup pipeline loop. This is such a. This I don't like, to be honest, but it's not what I like. It's what needs to be done. And we'll just go down to the main here, and we'll just handle user input. I don't think I want to do that. I don't think I want to do that. We're just gonna do this instead. And defer cannot be, that's fine for the moment. Oh. That's something. I don't even want to do this. This is like too complex. I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually just gonna take this away. And then in the end, I will just, inside of the unsafe, if we ever exit the loop some funny way, I will say the init, and I will pass it in the window, good, the init pipeline, and I will pass in the program. No, what? Pipeline. Unreachable statement warn on by default. We'll get to it. And then handle window should close. I mean, I guess I could, but I'm not. I'm just gonna close the program and throttle. Anyways, is there any errors? There's just a bunch of warnings. Best case scenario, this works, and worst case scenario, it doesn't. Let's see. I should still be able to just run it. This shouldn't have an impact on that. So yeah. Now if you go to SpacetimeDB, let's create 2 more terminals. I don't know if I need 2 more, but we're gonna do it. And we're gonna go lscd spacetime. This one can actually go back one step. I prefer to have this one there. And actually spacetime start. Yes. And server spacetime publish dash dash. What was the thing? Was it server local or SpacetimeDB Unity? Yes, sure, whatever. Publish this it's somewhere here. I can feel it. Fuck. Publish. Here it is. Spacetime publish server local. Server local Sigma. Funny. Delete data. We will always delete data. Delete data. Let's see. Please work on first try.
You need my help, question mark?
Let's see. I'm about to find out. We are publishing the new mod. Do I have to write build? I probably should write build. Yeah, I don't know. Ah, the server is not the thing I was concerned. I'm retarded. Anyways.
Okay, I presume not. Okay, well, see you.
Alright.
Wait, what happened? Wait.
Yes, what?
No, you gotta hang out with us.
Yeah,
Man.
chill with us, bro.
Like, where are you going, man? Like, come on. This is our fucking voice pod.
Voice pod.
Link
Well, then we
failed,
gotta
exit
discuss some good
status.
things.
Oh, it didn't link with the. I don't know. I think it didn't link
Like
with
AMD or Nvidia, though.
What are we talking about?
NVIDIA?
Nvidia or AMD? What would you say?
I'm just gonna put it like this.
Ooh.
Disgusting.
Wait, why? Why do I have to choose between? Wait, wait.
This is our voice pod. Our podcast.
Damn, I don't know.
No,
I
cast
had to
pod.
choose between, like, I don't know. I probably AMD because like you could settle with the shitty graphics. I don't know. I've done it before.
Mac
Because
or
can't really
FreeBSD?
do like Mac or who?
FreeBSD.
FreeBSD. I've heard that before. What is that?
It's an OS based
Oh
on
my
Linux,
God, it's
kind
a
of.
distro. It's a fucking
Like,
distro.
it's not really a distro. It actually is a separate thing from Linux, but they are related. It's not a distro, okay? Trust me.
Welcome to FreeBSD. What was the other one?
Mac.
Dude, well, anything over Mac. Like, I don't know why I'm looking into this.
Okay. War Crimes or Mac?
War Crimes.
Okay, yeah. Well, maybe it depends on the kind of war crime. Like,
Damn.
if it's written in TypeScript, I think almost Mac.
You know what I just learned today? If you put like a file, like a kind of text file, it could be a script, whatever, like URL, like the actual path into a fucking Chrome browser or whatever, it'll actually just
Yeah,
like,
that.
show.
Yeah,
Show
I
the whole
know.
text, everything.
Yeah, it looks shit, not gonna lie, but I mean, it's there. There's like a bunch of this inbuilt weird things into this Chromium.
That's crazy, bro.
I think there is a task manager, maybe.
Damn.
I could be wrong though.
Holy shit.
Tell me about
Dude,
this
I'm
holy
getting
shit.
spammed with followers this last couple days. Almost 300.
Bro is so popular.
Yeah, he's like crazy, man. Wait, is a dynamic library
Soon
is not a
my GitHub following is gonna push past
No,
Lewis's YouTube subscriber count.
Exactly. .a is static.
Yeah, we need to make it a dynamic.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna press the rename.
The readme?
No, I thought you were gonna press rename on it and just like change it to this. So I was like, what the hell is it doing?
I mean, I wouldn't be shocked.
Me neither.
Let's see what. Wait, where do we? Here, add library, right? Yes. How do I change this to be a dynamic one then?
I know, but I won't say.
Tell me, bro. This is.
You can't use AI. You figure it out, man.
I don't figure out like that, bro. I need to Google, and that's the same as using AI.
No. Don't Google. Don't use web. Don't just figure it out.
Bruh.
What?
Just figure.
Well, speaking of figuring out web, did you figure out the socket?
Ah, nah, I'm taking a break.
Imagine taking a break. Here.
Imagine not
Why is
knowing
it
how
called
to.
share?
No,
Or is this lying to me right now?
that's hallucination. But the dynamic libraries are also called shared libraries. Like SO stands for shared object.
Ah.
And C? I think Python cooked one of those up.
Yeah, that doesn't exist nowadays though, because that's all.
But it is still just library, and I just need to specify somehow that it's gonna be a dynamic one, or.
Yes.
Okay, but how the fuck do I go about that?
So close. Ah, goddamn.
So close. Which one of these could mean dynamic?
Which one could it be?
Ah.
Also, I would probably put that after .root module. If I were.
After root module. Why?
Just preference.
Okay. Is there anything else I should be aware about?
I don't know what
I
that
don't know,
could
what are
be,
you
except
cooking up
like
right
everything.
But if I'm gonna try to make it work
Oh,
first
you're
with the
hooking the
Sig one,
render
and then
log,
I'm
right?
gonna see if I can make it work with the rest.
Damn, look at that, oh my posh. Damn, that's nice.
Okay, it still works. Great. And now we have a .so. Wow! Okay, so now we can go back to this
Wow,
Rust stuff.
congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. I was practicing so hard for that. Tell cargo where to find dynamic build. Why the fuck is... What is this Rust stuff? What the My brain wants to commit suicide watching these. Like, what the fuck does this mean? Print... Why would I do a print tell cargo? What?
Don't ask.
And now it's
Don't
assuming...
ask.
Oh, wow. What the fuck? Also link against...
Just do it.
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Just do it.
Also, you don't got a link against OpenGL because my shit
wait,
doesn't
this is some
use
weird ass
OpenGL
build
like that.
thingy. I don't even have a build file for Rust. What the fuck?
Yeah, welcome to Rust, where the build script is a suggestion that you have to have, but it's also had how complicated to. Yeah, good luck, man. Well,
Can I
I'll
just
go
not
watch YouTube.
do that and just run cart?
I'm gonna go watch YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna go watch YouTube.
Stream it.
Nah, man.
Bop it.
Stream it.
Twist it.
What?
Damn.
Well,
Harder.
Harder.
Whoa, what the hell?
135. Oh wow, look at that.
Well,
I
ping
need
me
a
if you need
time
help or some
thingy.
shit, I don't know.
What are you saying?
Ping me if you need help.
I need
Because you
help.
probably need it. Okay, well, I know you need help like that, but like if you need help with the code.
I need to prepare Rust code.
Okay, well, I only accept SIG code, sorry.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm not a ruster either. We're talking about like the game. Like I'm totally like a ruster.
Then I can buy me Rust, but like 20 times and then I can sell it.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
That's a good
sounds
game.
good.
It's a good game, man.
Way too
A lot of
expensive.
emotions to be had.
Yeah, I mean, I hate when there's some random ass kid who doesn't have a life who wakes up at like 1 a.m. and raids your little base because no reason.
Nah, you gotta play it properly. You gotta play it properly, and it's all good from there.
Yeah, you like begin with, you get a rock and then you mine a helicopter and then you fly it around. And then you go to the oil rig and then you kill them all with your rocks.
I think for your first experience is to like find like a modded server where it's just like a bunch of people messing around, and then you go to the safe zone and just start yelling the N-word at everybody, and you'll make a couple friends.
Oh,
And it's like it's not about
okay.
playing the game. It's like it's mostly like it's just a giant social experiment.
So it's basically like being in the USA.
Exactly.
You know when you're just talking with your guys and you just realize how you have made bad friends because they're talking about bad stuff.
Yeah, is that you right now or?
I don't know what to answer. Am I still part of the group no matter what I say?
No, you're not part of the podcast. You're only like the cameraman.
Ah, wait, I forgot we were on a podcast. Well, then it's fine.
Yeah, but like, you know, you're my podcast friend, but like outside of the podcast, no, enemy.
You know, as soon as the stream ends, me and Harold, we don't even know each other anymore. We're like, who the fuck are you again?
Yeah, exactly. Like I don't even stay around. I just disconnect immediately.
Why are you addicted to Sig?
Yeah.
Because Sig is freaking awesome. Like,
And
I
I
don't
mean
know what-
Sig deal. I didn't Sig.
Like, is there? Okay, Sig is pretty cool as well, but I still think that Sig is like, I don't know. It just
Cooler.
provides everything that you need for a low-level language. You know.
And actually has a good standard library
it's a
and
good
nice
standard
features
library.
and compile time and generics, and it knows it actually work.
And
Tagged units that are actually good.
and you
what
don't
did
have
I
to
else
be
forget?
concerned about that thing called string. Like,
Oh yeah, did I forget also to say that Sig is like the best C compiler ever? So I think that says a lot about
that's also
C, you
pretty
know.
true.
And C doesn't even have like a good compiler because they're all this garbage and shit. And also the C compiler totally isn't just Clang but rebranded and with some extra things. No, totally not.
Totally not.
No. It's completely unique.
Since you're not using build, you got the dynamic SO, you just need to make sure two things happens. Cargo can find the library at compile time for linking, your program can find it at runtime when you run it. Yes, put the SO somewhere Cargo can... Okay, that's I'm fine with for the moment being. Cargo Rust will
What
look in
the
the
fuck?
system.
That's so
lib-
bad, bro. Rust. Anyways,
A lib
but
in your Rust.
I'm not
pro-
gonna be here when you're doing Rust, so I'll go watch YouTube. I hate Rust so
that's
much.
fair. I'm not. I would be. I would do the same.
Yes. So yes, BRB in like 20 minutes maybe when this video is over.
All right. What is this? Rustling search. It's nightly in car. Blah blah blah. Make it available at runtime. Even if linking succeeds at runtime, the loader also needs to find the option Linux put in the same directory as
don't
the
tell me.
binary. Do I have to do this? I prefer just to actually have it next to the file and not having to add any of these extra things, because then everybody else who gonna get this thing also needs to do it, and that's just like no. I know why, but I'm not gonna add that because I'm not too concerned about anything that I am not concerned about the window close at the moment. It will change. Anyways, is this all I need? If I put the lib render.so next to the
What IBM's got their own fucking LLM? Like, what is this?
I see what you're you cargo just to pick up the if you drop it next to your no build. Unfortunately, that build section you wrote if it exists, cargo doesn't read linker settings from there. There's the instructions. So you got 3 options. Easiest no build RS cargo rust next to your build this. Wait, keep next to your and then -l dot. Okay. It tells Rust to search for current for okay. Set. Guess that could work. On Windows now, option to use build recommend for automation. If you want every time you build. Okay, maybe this is the way I need to go. Okay. Install lib system wide, and that's not gonna happen. To answer us, we know putting okay. Where do I put the build.rs? And I got currently, let's say root. I'm just gonna say $home. I think it will understand root. Spacetime client source. And then I usually do these to indicate that there's like cargo dot toml comma source main dot rs and close bracket. Build, so it goes here, okay. Wow, we can do this as well. That's nice actually. Okay, I'm just gonna yoink that. So it goes next to here. Oh, not there, but that's okay. Build.rs, gonna move it one step out, move, and then we're gonna put this in here. Let's see, tell Rust to look in the current projector directory. Also link system. Alright, let's see. And then just put your same directory. Okay, let's take this one here in this kind of scuffed way. Run the cargo. You will run. Okay, let's see. Nope. Could not compile client bin 8 warnings, but there should be an error now. Okay. I'm not gonna give it all of the warnings though, because those are relevant. Kind of, but the errors are relevant. Nope. But it's still something with the failed execution symbols. This seems to be something with libraries, I'm not sure. Those were being cannot find L renders. This means that the Nick can find or a render tells Rust that before the render as a dynamic or static in the library search path builds 4 steps. But right now the collector is not actually the current lib render.so. No, that's definitely right there. Fix must be here, but it is right there. Unless it's a typo somehow. Don't think so. Let's see. And then build C. I should probably not have, but whatever. Nope, still. Let me just quickly see. I was trying to do sec. What the fuck? Why?
And the Minecraft music is actually
Mm-hmm.
going hard.
What do I do? And why is it trying to go through sec through the source? Seems good. What's for Rust source? So your sec is the product root because the I think it has probably I don't know. It's on. I think it forgot to take its medication again. Okay, thanks. This just remains the same, but I should actually update to 1.5. And then build our C native. This should be fine. Cleaner. Put it in. Yeah, I guess that would be, but I don't know. I don't know. That's literally what I got, but it still can't find it. Planetary debug. Let's see. Lucas project planetary target debug. No. Where is it trying to get the shit from? That's That's just verbose. Let's see more. Init exit successful tool chain. Hey. Compose telling no such. This video doesn't see only where it expects words. Okay. Render, yes. Linker looks for a file. Dynamic. If you have, you will look for project root next to project root. I guess. Well, it is still here. Not render as live run. What is the at home project Planetary Zigma? No. Oh, so it wants it there. Ah. Okay, but let's try that real quick. Okay. Okay. And that's crazy. Anyways, now we got something else. Client deb profile debug. While loading libraries cannot open shared object file. Nope. Right. Now this is the problem because it doesn't know. It's gonna be so funny. Anyways. No, wait, this one should be fine. Wait. This I assume now it's just can't load the images or something like that. But that should still be from the same path. Or am I completely mistaken? Not a compile time, linker, build time, runtime. What the fuck? Wait, no, this is not something I want to do. This one I'll redo. This one is the extra thing. It cannot open shared object or file. I think if I were to... It should find... Let's see, I'm just gonna take from here, I'm gonna copy it, put it in here as well and see. No? Did I put it inside source then? Move? No, cannot open shared object. I assume that's something to do with assets, but I'm not sure. Wait. Shared libraries, but I don't want to do that, bro. No. Okay, wait, let me try this. Why are you waving? Can you hear me? Yeah?
Do what I want.
Okay, chill.
here I come. Yeah, kick his ass.
No.
Damn, I think it's lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging a bit. Next it's so you don't have to. Okay. Trade.
I got my ass kicked. What the fuck?
Okay. No idea. Sure. Run looks for same folder as the executable, passes to LD. Yes. Run target debug client. What? Let me just do cargo clean. Wow.
You got the little arch symbol beside your name.
Yes.
Damn, you're such a pleb.
I'm too much of an Arch fan. What is Spacetime? Is it some kind of game or what? Spacetime is hello, Dev Sims. It's basically
Fucking SQL query database was gonna fucking live events.
yeah, it's an
what I've
SQL
seen.
database which is meant for making online games. It's quite new. It's nice. Well, I haven't actually done a real application yet. I'm trying to, but they had to do it in Rust, so I have to learn Rust. And how I learned Rust is by not doing it. I don't know what this means. Like cargo, Rusty link warg. What the fuck? Recursive path, that I get. And then $origin. Anyways. And then in a bash, it will find. So I will run this target. Which target is it referring to? Is it just from the root of the project? Wait, I should have a target here. Target debug client. Okay, let's try that. What folder should I be inside? No, it should be here. ls. Target debug client. Target while loading the shared library. Library cannot share the object file or directory. That's crazy. What if I do it from here? No, that's too far. Target debug client. Yeah, no, still fetching key. Wow, it's still connecting. That's nice. But I still get that, so that means it doesn't still find those things. And I really don't want to add them to the. I don't want to bloat somebody's. Like, nah. And I don't want to put those like, nah. It should be a simple place where I could just define. But it's nice that it actually took it from there. That I can like if I take it away from here, for example. This is really nice. If I do this, well, actually I don't care about that. This should be enough. That's what I'm saying, you know. Cannot open shared object file. No such. Ah. No, they are talking about the same thing. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want it to be found through the project root. Nothing else. I don't want anything else. Okay, let's try a different. Let's see, we can go in here. Oh, nice. Okay. How can I make it so that the lib dynamic lib can be found through the project root? That's the thing I don't want to do. I don't want to export anything. Embed runtime letter path using R. In your cargo toml profile dev. And then cargo build. Okay, let's see. We can check that. Maybe that could work. Cargo build. Cargo build. What? Profile is caused by profile rust flags. The package required a cargo feature called profile rust flag, but that feature is not the stat version card. Consider trying newer version of cargo. This may require 9. Okay. Let's see. I don't wanna export. People be concerned. There should that is be found through the root of the project. Yes, that I tried to do already, but this didn't help anything at all. Like, isn't that just a... yeah, that's the exact same thing, but let's see why it has those extra dots. Oh. No, I haven't added that to my cargo. Good for dependency will fail to parse the version requirements for what the fuck? Ah. Well, that's crazy. Error generated program handle does not refer to an object generated by OpenGL. Okay, well that's a step forward at least, so that's really nice, you know. Awesome. I think this one doesn't really have context anymore. Let's go back to this one. What? This is not the one. Is it this one? Yes. Error generated around happens when you pass bad value to an OpenGL function or it's not valid in reverse your ID. So you call attach then program link if compilation the program ID may be short check. Oh yeah, don't do that. Yes, right. That I should do. Let's see. Let's go to the source, the main, and then in here, it's here in the init. I just need to check if pipeline equals 0, Well, then I just do a window dot b b init. Why do I whatever? That's such misleading, but it's fine for now. And I will do unnecessary. Why condition? Why is this an on by default? No. By default, I should not get this. And then I will just do this. Initialize pipeline. Ah, it's just a parenthesis. Ah, I don't know. I whatever. Let's see. Yes. Failed to initialize pipeline. Okay. So it's okay. Let's go here. Sig build run. This one still runs though, so that's interesting. That one would fail. Great. We can actually now this is where it actually gets fun, because we can go in here and well, it's not that funny yet, but it will get fun. We will go to init pipeline here, and let's see which one of these are the ones that we can do. Std debug retarded debug log. I'm gonna say model. I need to do a new line, else this will look horrendous. Then here we do, what do we do here? We do image. And here we do texture. And here we do pipeline itself. Pipeline. Let's see. So at least this one, when you run this one, we should see, boom, it went through. Oh, okay, maybe I didn't need the new line, whatever. Let's see when we run this thing. I forgot. We need to delete this. Actually, I could provide the actual path now, but it's fine. Why do we have this one here? Oh, bye-bye. So it failed on the image already. Failed to load image, can't open. Oh. That makes sense. So it might be just, I don't know where I'm supposed to have it then, but I'm just gonna put it in client. And I'm gonna put it also in source. I'm gonna put it in both places, and let's see. Oh my god. Look at that. There, now we're running through Rust. Running through Rust. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Bro.
Like landing on the moon.
Yes. There's just a bit of.
All right, git commit, git push.
It's
Good night,
stupid.
everybody. It was fun.
Golang best. I don't know, bro. But you know what we can do now? Now we can hook it up. Let's see. If I go to my main here, and here connect DB, right? And in here, when we connect, after we're connected, I think I can do something stupid like this and just say, wait, is this gonna work? Oh, I hope it's gonna work. Let's do the render to begin with. We'll have 0. Then this will be a parent, you know. And then we have the exported. Fuck, we'll have to do it here for now, but it's okay. Connect. I haven't taken in the. I need to take it in. I don't care about the disconnect for now, even though we have that functionality, but I'm not gonna care. I'm gonna care about the connect. Let's see. Player connect. That's what I need to call it. So fn connect. And what is this thing gonna return? Does it even return? I think it's just a void, right? Yeah, just void. Okay. Mute, C void, like so. And then we just go here. And we say player connect. Oh, fuck. No, I cannot do it there. Oh, no, I have to listen to... Yes, here. Yes, here. We can do this. A new user joins on... Is there a user? What the fuck, wait. ctx.db. I think it's called player, yes. On insert. Now we provide the callback. Where was this thing located? I don't know, bro. That's some crazy shit. And then we just do player connect. Can I do this? Is that legal? Closure found unsafe. Fuck. Okay. I would like to do this. And then I'm just gonna provide that it's a from here, and maybe some context to this, and then I'm gonna actually compile it so we can get the error. Yes. Let's see here. Let's see. On internet, there's Rust callback of a certain type, usually something like yes. Yes. That doesn't match Rust closure C point with no return. Oh yeah. I have to create a function probably to do this. Oh wait, can I do that? Oh my god, sometimes these things are just so fucking disgusting, but I mean, we're so... if I can just prove that this works, after that it's just hallelujah, you know? That pullover goes hard. Apple CEO vibes. What? Welcome, Menti. That doesn't look good either. Oh no. Closure is expected to take 2 arguments, but it takes 1 argument. Expected closure takes 2 argument. This argument's... I probably don't need to provide anything. Yo, what's up?
Hey, the Zigger is back.
Oh, yo.
Yo, what's up? Closure is expected to take 2 arguments. What the fuck? What kind of argument are you expecting to take? Let's just do this. Did I do? Yeah. Okay. Boom. Okay. I don't know. This is crazy. Let's see. I'll go run. Okay, so... why... I didn't compile. Haha, funny. Didn't I actually compile? Whatever. Trash. Go here. And yes, now there's nothing. Then if we go
make a build script. Just make like a bash script.
No. I'm gonna make it so it works. For now, it's a bit of manual labor because I just need to make sure. Why is there always a .a file here?
It takes 10 seconds.
It's too much seconds because I'm not certain yet where I will have everything. Okay, I'm not sure how I will organize everything, so there's no point trying to organize anything yet.
Because this is a Lucas API, there is no organization.
Exactly. So why make a bash script when it changes all the time?
Well, just put it in the router or something.
Harold, I have the solution. Let's make a AI integrated in the project which always analyzes the project and generates to you the bash script.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
I think now it should work. It didn't. Let's see, if I go here, where am I? I'm in the server, so I'm gonna go ... cd client, and then
Hello.
cargo run.
Hello.
Hi, Lucas.
Hello.
I have a quick question.
Tell me about the quick question you have. Ah, that's crazy. Hello? Did I lose connection or something? I actually lost connection. Hello?
Or Twitch.
It's Twitch.
Of course it is.
I'm back. I
Welcome
lost.
back.
Harold.
Yeah.
Make Duolingo for Sig, please.
Duolingo for Sig. Well,
Yes.
no, I don't know how you would didn't do that.
Make an app. Make some learning things and.
Yeah, but Duolingo
some fun.
sucks ass, bro. Copying Duolingo is like copying Lucas's APIs and
What?
making something
How
semi-okay with it.
dare you?
Just impossible. Mission impossible. Not viable.
You
Not-
are
not,
a
no.
disgusting monkey.
Yeah, exactly, Lucas.
Yo.
Yeah. I think Lucas is
Yo.
talking to his mirror again.
No, what, bro?
Damn, funny to see Lucas compile Rust.
Why is it not calling
Yes.
the connect bullshit? I don't think it's. It is telling on the server though that players are being connected, but I'm not seeing any
Oh.
players being connected. That's bullshit. Let's just see that
It's weird.
if I call it manually from here, player connect. I'm just gonna do this.
All my
Is
homies
that
love
even
Ansel.
legal to do? I don't know. Let's find out. It did say player connect 0.
Also, you wrote connected
Oh,
wrong.
there it is. Look at that. And then if I connect that with
Should be
another
wrong.
one, it
Lucas
says
is very good with formatting.
what?
Also, is it window
Connected.
running in your terminal?
No. It's just I have it over.
Oh.
Yeah,
Tiling.
tiling.
Oh.
Yeah. Ah, they should be connected now. Oh man, but they aren't.
Multiplayer.
Damn,
Huh.
Tar.
They're like
Ah, yes.
I like how
Damon,
they-
say what I taught you earlier.
Was like dem.
It's
I
so
like
weird
close.
because it does send a connection to the database that it should be connected, but yet this one doesn't get the call, so it's not connected. I don't know, bro. They are being
Also,
insert-
Lucas, what is that path? Why is it just like dot slash dot? Like, well, bro,
Where are you
how is
reading
that
that?
even? Go back to your terminal.
Oh nah, don't worry about it.
Bro, it's not usable. Like, how do you? What?
Wait.
Why, bro?
But here, look. Identity connect. Try insert, and it should be inserting and getting player tut, and we should
Try
be
insert, bro.
like getting.
Why is Rust so trash? It's not that bad, but like, why is it so bad in a way?
I know where you're getting player taught. Player so like taught means is German for deaf, for dead. So that's why, Lucas.
What? But look at this
Yes.
Sigma. It says that 2 players are connected. It should say 2. Why is it say what? It should say 2.
Huh. That's weird.
Oh, I'm trying to insert the same player identity. I need one of you to connect
Probably.
to my local host.
Yes. Yes. Wait, what?
Huh?
I'm open for anything
Bro.
right now. How?
No, I need to set an actual IP up so we can get people in here. No, I should find a way to actually
Yeah.
get myself to connect multiple times. Okay, but I'm pretty confident that this should work though then. But it should say
Then
one
don't do it
player.
over IP. Don't do stuff over IP, Lucas. Don't.
I need
You
to
get
do something.
doxed.
No, I will just share it with
No,
you
no, no,
guys.
no,
I
no.
trust you guys.
No,
okay?
no.
I will put it on the
thing
Twitch
is,
stream.
I was like, the thing is, you don't do stuff like that over IP address because multiple people exist over one IP. You do stuff usually over like cookies in the browser or some stuff, or like player IDs. You know what I mean?
Oh no, I just used them. It's basically a player ID that the spacetime generates an identity that stores.
Huh.
Yeah. But now I just need to. Okay, we can do something stupid. I love doing stupid stuff. You guys know.
We know.
Also, guys, I need to go muted. I'm in the middle of a Warzone on Armor right now.
Okay.
A what?
Germany simulator.
If I do multiple player connects, they should become. We should see multiple cubes. Where are the damn cubes? Right, this is not the thing that spawns the cubes. I'm building, bro. I'm retarded. Okay, now if I move it here, now we should see multiple ones. This is basically simulating the idea what would happen if you actually got multiple people connecting. Yeah, it should just. But I just need to make a that every time I connect, that it should be a new client every time. I need to figure that out, but I will do that tomorrow. And we're getting pretty close. Like after this is just making them move as a player around and maybe better setup. But that's a small thing. I need to go sleep. I have gym tomorrow, leg day. I don't wanna go. But it has been more than 2 hours. This is supposed to be 1 hour session. Pretty good session, I would say.
It's always 2 hours.
It's always 2 hours. Anyways, tomorrow we will probably get that I can connect multiple accounts and maybe get that some of you guys can connect and we will be starting to have a lot of fun. Yes, very much. All right. That's gonna be it for now. Good night and bye-bye.